Hello, David Bradley here from the pet room. I have indeed successfully excavated another pet from the garage. I'm going to go get it, and then we can look inside. I'm kind of leery of all of this, because I know there's a remnant of some sort of, probably a mouse nest inside. And, I mean, I can just tell that just by things kind of, when I moved it, things fell out. Nothing mechanical, you know. Anyway, and also it has the switches on the outside of a SuperPET. Actually, you know what? Look, I'll tell you. I glance inside. There's a double decker SuperPET board in there. I had no clue. No clue. No clue. It's funny. It's marked 8032, whereas behind us here, there's all kinds of SuperPETs without the SuperPET board. Anyway, people, as you likely know, it's not hard to add a SuperPET board to an 8032. They're the same machine, the same main board. You just have to get the boards or board, and it would come with all the things to put it in and connect it up, and away you go. And of course the two toggle switches come to the side. All right, I am right now going to bring the pet here, and we can have a look. Oh, stay tuned. I'll be right back. If you hear a crash, don't worry. Nothing can go wrong. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on. Oh, oh. Ow. Okay, okay. All right. Okay. No crashes. No danger. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. And there it is. I thought I had this aimed. You could see the whole machine. Let me see if there is enough. Oh, that went a little too far. Sorry. Well, maybe that's not bad. All right. Okay. So here is the pet in question. There it is. It's not horrible. It's got some things, but let me get a little more light down here. A little more light down here. A little more light. And we'll open it up, and I haven't had it like open. But there it is. So, indeed, something has been in here. Looks like it made use of the odd dryer sheet. It does. Now, in looking around at wires and things, maybe I should pull this out. I don't see any vast evidence of anything being chewed. I don't. So that is encouraging. So the main PET board is the lowest board, and then up above are the two SuperPET boards. Oh, that looks funny. What is that? Oh, there seems to be some sort of tape over here. I don't know what is what. Well, with great care, I will pull this stuff out, or some of it. But perhaps for the rest of it, I need a special tool, I think. So, and this might take me a few minutes to get, so believe me, you don't need to wait around. I'm just looking, trying to get a better light on there. I've got this springy light. It's a beautiful thing, except when I move it down, it springs away. Oh well. All right, stay tuned. We will continue the exploration of this 8032/SuperPET. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.